Are you looking for an affordable residential lot here in Santa Rosa, Laguna? Given the fact na considered na ito as premium location. And another good news is, this is just below 40,000 pesos. Watch this video to find out more. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and for this video we will be featuring the most affordable lot-only property here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So Amor, bakit mo nga ba i-feature itong property na to? Because there are so many clients asking, Amor, we understand na premium location na ang Santa Rosa, Laguna, pero baka naman meron pa tayong makikita na affordable lot-only properties. So technically, sold out na talaga tong property na to, and may mga nare-open lang lot-only properties. So ngayon, let's dig deep and let's have a tour on this property. Welcome to Laguna Bel Air. One thing I like about Laguna Bel Air is that for them to protect the security, syempre nung mga residents, meron silang sariling shuttle services. Nandito tayo sa Laguna Bel Air Clubhouse. So just like any other real estate properties na residential, ano nga bang makikita natin dito? So meron ditong basketball court, badminton court, volleyball court, swimming pool, open spaces and parks, and as you can see, malawak yung mga roads, and kung mapapansin nyo rin, punong-puno ng puno dito sa paligid ng Laguna Bel Air. One thing special about Laguna Bel Air is that tapat lang mismo ng clubhouse, no, is yung school. So may school na mismo dito sa loob ng Laguna Bel Air, which is Laguna Bel Air School. So tingnan natin. So before we start dun sa pagvi-video ng mga recommended lots ko dito sa Laguna Bel Air, but first let's have a road tour muna para makita natin how it feels like to live here in the community, and makita natin yung architectural designs, makita natin yung kung gaano kaganda yung mga ino-offer dito na lot-only properties and yung mga houses mismo. So dito technically sold out na talaga. So kumbaga from time to time, it's very rare na nagkakaroon ng mga reopen lots dito, no. So initially, so may mga aside from the lot-only properties na ino-offer dito, nung una meron din talagang mga ino-offer na house and lot dito, no. So bakit? So syempre para magkaroon din ng community, meron din may mga titira na para mapunan yung mismong subdivision, no. So kung mapapansin natin, yung architectural design dito is American style. So dito is ano naman, kumbaga if ever man na lote yung bibilihin mo, so susundin mo yung architectural design or theme dito sa area. So pwede mo namang pwede mo rin naman siyang i-twitch or pwede mo siyang i-renovate dun sa gusto mong design. Pero syempre strict tayo dun sa architectural design na American para syempre hindi chop suey tignan yung community. So kung mapapansin nyo, so they are following yung American style na design, pero may mga konting renovations and improvement din naman, which is okay lang din. And that is for approval pa rin no, nung ating developer. For our first lot, so this one is Block 33 Lot 6. So this one is 140 square meters. So para mas ma-visualize nyo, ito yung starting point ko. And then papunta dito. So technically hanggang dito siya. So what I like about this lot is that wala siyang nakaharang na poste. And kung mapapansin nyo is meron na namang naka-build na bahay sa tapat nito, but on the other side wala rin naman. And para mas ma-visualize nyo, no, this is the 360 view of the lot. So for a 140 square meter na bahay, so nasa likod ko yung sample niya, ganito siya kalaki, so tignan natin. So dito sa pangalawang lote natin, this is Block 34 Lot 23 with a 127 square meters lot area. So para mas makita nyo, starting siya dito sa poste na to until dito. Until here. So yan, ganun siya ka lawak. So what I like about this lot is, number one, this is a morning sun. Yan. And maganda rin naman yung features niya kasi though may poste, so hindi naman niya natatakpan yung mismong lote mo. So para mas ma-appreciate nyo, ito yung 360 view ng lote na to. For a 137 square meters na lote, no? So this is a sample na bahay, nakaparehas din na 137 square meters na bahay. So for our third lot, this is Block 18 Lot 25. Meron itong 151 square meters. So mula dito sa kinatatayuan ko until here. Yan, para mas ma-visualize nyo, ito yung lote niya. So as you can see, this one is close to the corner. And mapapansin nyo rin, wala pa masyadong nakatayong bahay no, sa paligid. So para mas ma-appreciate itong 151 square meters, here is the 360 view. So para mas ma-visualize nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yung 151 square meters, so ito yung sample natin. So kung mapapansin nyo din, no, American style pa rin siya na medyo minodernize nung may-ari. Sa pang-apat natin na lote, so ito ay mas maliit yung cut. This is Block 19 Lot 9 with 121 square meters. So kung uumpisahan ko siya, so dito yung muhon niya na umpisa hanggang dito. Ayan. So kung mapapansin nyo dito sa side na to, no, wala pang masyadong nakatayong mga bahay. So for a 121 square meters, ito yung 360 view niya. So for our last lot, so i-feature ko na rin, no, kasi this one is very unusual and nasa dulo na siya ng Laguna Bel Air 4. So this one is Block 26 Lot 36. So malaki yung cut niya. This one is 355 square meters. So kung titingnan natin from here hanggang dito, ayan, hanggang dito, and then all the way hanggang sa perimeter. Ayan, hanggang sa perimeter. So kung mapapansin mo, unusual siya, unusual yung cut. So kung hindi ka naman maselan and gusto mo ng privacy since dulo na siya, so this one is perfect for you. 355 square meters siya, so malawak pa din naman. So for our 360 view of this 355 square meter lot, pakita natin. So ngayon, let's talk about the price. Amor, sabi mo kanina, this property is below 40,000 pesos. So itong Laguna Bel Air is only at 33,000 per square meters. So dun sa mga na-feature nating lots kanina, for example, yung 121 square meters, yun yung pinakamaliit, that is around 4 million pesos. And yung mga nasa gitna naman, like the 151 square meters, that is around 5 million. And yung huli nating na-feature na 355 square meters, that is around 11 million. So ano nga ba yung payment terms ng Laguna Bel Air 4? Given na matagal na tong Laguna Bel Air, actually isa to sa mga OG na real estate properties dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, no? Mako-consider pa rin natin na manageable yung payment terms nila. So for example, you have to reserve for only 25,000 pesos. And for the down payment, meron tayong 10% spot down payment. So that is just around 370 to 470,000 pesos. And kung i-consider natin yung 355, that is around 1 million din. After the 10% down payment, so meron tayong 15% na down payment stretched to 2 years. Yes, you heard that right. 2 years or 24 months natin siyang babayaran, and that is only 25 to 30,000 pesos per month. And dun naman sa remaining na 75%, that is loanable through bank financing. And bago naman ma-turn over sa clients yung ating mga lot properties, no? So syempre may babayaran tayong miscellaneous fees, that's just around 7%. So that is around 280 to 350,000 pesos only. That's it guys for Laguna Bel Air. So if you want to know more about this property, you can contact me on my social media accounts. So nasa TikTok, Facebook, and here on YouTube at Mr. Own That Property. And ipopost namin dito yung mga contact details ko. So for more real estate updates, you can like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So that's it. And again, I'm Amor Almoguera, and I'm Mr. Own That Property.